Morning students, welcome to you all in standard 10. This is the sixth part of physics. Now students, what is our topic? The topic is Cartesian sign convection for reflection of a spherical mirror. Cartesian sign convection. Okay, so students, this is what? This is a rule. Okay, this is a rule. So I am just starting with the very first one. What is the very first one? All the distance are measured from the pole. Suppose students, this is a spherical mirror. Which kind of mirror? This is a concave mirror. This is our principal axis. So see, we are just considering the whole term as a Cartesian sign. Suppose this is our origin, this is our x-axis. We are assuming a straight line, that is y-axis. Okay, so what is this? This is the origin. All the distance are calculating from origin. So similarly, in convex or concave mirror or any spherical mirror, all the distance are measured from the pole, because the pole is behaving as a origin. So what is the first one? All the distance are measured from the pole. Okay, now what is the second one? The distance measured in the direction of incident ray are taken positive. So how to understand this? Suppose students, we have an object here. This is a concave mirror. We have an object here. So on C, so from the left side, x dash axis, okay, x dash, all the distance are here negative, 0, -1, -2, -3. So what is the meaning? All the lights are coming from incident ray. They are taken on the left side, and all the left portion, all this left portion are taken as incident ray, okay, taken as negative. All the distance are taken as negative. Okay, all the distance here on the left side is taken as negative. Okay, the third one, the distance measured in the direction opposite to incident ray, means on the right portion. If this is the right portion, this distance is always taken as positive, this distance is always taken as negative. Okay, now fourth one, the height measured in upward direction. So this is the principal axis. If the object is above the principal axis, if the object is above, just above the principal axis, this distance is positive. Why? Because y axis is always positive. Y 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this distance, upward distance, is always measured as positive. Okay, and the height measured in downward, if any height is in the downward direction, or we can say below the principal axis, so we are considering as negative. So what are the 5 rules? The very first one, all the distance, everything is measured from the pole. Okay, everything is measured from the pole, because pole is behaving as origin. Left portion, all the left portion are considered as negative. All the right portion are always considered as positive. Okay, upper part positive, lower part positive. These are the 5 rules. Okay, so if these 5 rules are clear, I am just trying to explain you with the help of example. Let's try with the example. Okay, now students, you are able to see the example. See, I am just taking one example. This is a concave mirror, this is a concave mirror, this is a pole, this is a focus, this is center, this is a object, this is a image. I know how, you already know how the image is creating. First rule, principal, focus, center, intersecting point, create image. You all are aware about this. But what is Cartesian sign convection? See, first of all, see, this object is above the principal axis. So I can say object height. See, first of all, see, the object is above the principal axis. So I can say the object is, if I am supposing h, so this h is always positive. As I told you, rule number 5, above the principal axis, positive. Now see, this image is below the principal axis. So how can I can say image height is below the principal axis. I am supposing the height is h dash. So this h dash is what? Negative. I told you, above the principal axis, positive. Okay, now below the principal axis, it is negative. Now see, students, you can see this object is beyond the principal axis. I am taking the distance from object, this distance, object to pole, I am supposing as u. Okay, always denote u as object distance. So see, object distance is denoted by u. Now our intention, is it positive or negative? So see, all the distance are measured from the pole. So from pole to object it is u, or positive or negative. See, it is on the left side. So I can say this is negative. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now what is focus? Focus and pole. The distance between focus and pole is called focal length, denoted by small f. So I can say focal length is small f. Positive or negative? See, this is just again left side, just the left side of the pole. So I can say this is negative. Okay, now see, image distance. Okay, image distance. So now again it is very easy. See, distance of image to pole, I am supposing as this distance from image to pole, I am choosing as v. Every time you have to choose image distance as v. So now tell me, is this positive or negative? See, again this is left side of the pole, and all the distance from the left side is taken as negative. So I can say in concave mirror, object height above positive, image height below negative. What is object distance from object to pole is u. Positive or negative? Left side, negative. Focal length, focus to pole, distance measured from pole. Okay, now this distance is again on the left side, so I can choose negative. Image is also between center and focus. So from image to pole distance is v. Again left portion, so negative. So with the help of this we are able to understand. I hope this topic is being clear. Now students, let's start with the second example, that is convex mirror. I have given you. See, suppose the object is left side and parallel focus, center intersecting point is here. This is our image creation. This is a dash, this is b dash. This the image is vertical. Now see how to apply Cartesian sign convection. First of all, see, all the distance are measured from the pole. So from pole to object, this distance means object distance is denoted by u. So object distance is denoted by u. Now the Cartesian sign convection, positive or negative? See, this is left side, so this is negative. Now see, this is a point of a image, so distance are measured from the pole. So from pole to image, this image distance we are taking as v, and this is on the right portion. Okay, right portion. So image distance is v. Now positive or negative? See, this is right portion, so I can choose positive. I told you, left side negative, right side positive. Image is on the right side. Okay, now see, from pole to focus, this distance we are considering as focus. Okay, so we are just considering as focus. Now positive or negative? See, in convex mirror the focus is on the right side, so right side, so this is positive. Okay, now radius of curvature means distance from pole to center. From pole to center is called radius of curvature. Positive or negative? See, right portion, so right portion, this is positive. Now image height. Now see students, image height is here above the principal axis, above. So we can say this is, I am taking as h dash. Okay, so this h dash is what? Positive or negative? See, right portion, upper side means positive, and this one object height, it is again above, so I can choose h is what? Positive or negative? Upper side is positive. So with the help of this concave mirror, convex mirror, we understood everything is measured from the pole. Rule number 1. Rule number 2, left hand side is negative, right hand side is positive, upper portion is positive, lower portion is negative. So I hope students you are able to understand the very interesting topic that Cartesian sign convection. So if this is clear, so I hope you all are being able to understand. Thank you so much.